Today I'm cooking a delicious stir-fried prawns kway teow for my lunch. It is simple and take about 15 minutes. This recipe is for 2 servings. Let's get started with cutting 65 grams of firm tofu into small cubes. This makes them bite-sized while increasing the surface area to coat them with delicious flavor. Next, cut 20 grams of washed chive into 1 to 2 inch length strips. If chive are not available, spring onion can be used as well. Then, slice 15 grams of 1 red chili. It's also known as cayenne pepper or chili merah besar. It's mildly spicy and is added for a nice bright red color. Chop a mix of red and green bird eye chili to serve with the kway teow for a spicy kick. Next, peel 6 cloves of garlic. Give them a wash and mince them roughly. Next, separate and loosen up 250 grams of kway teow or flat rice noodle. Be sure to separate the strands that are stuck to each other, as this will evenly distribute the seasoning while making our kway teow nice and fluffy. Then remove the shell and devein 200 grams of fresh prawns. Keep them refrigerated or under some ice. While preparing the rest of the ingredients, use a knife to cut the back of the prawns to remove the vein, or you can use a toothpick as well. Next, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the prawns. Rub to marinate them evenly. Alright, the preparations are done. Let's cook our prawns kway teow. For an easy time, I recommend a non-stick pan as the kway teow will not get stuck easily while frying. Otherwise, using a wok will add a lovely smoky flavor to the dish. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait a minute for it to warm up. Then, add all the prawns and cook for 45 seconds or until they turn orange on one side. Flip them to the other side and cook for 30 seconds or until just cooked, as they will continue cooking from the residual heat. All done, remove them from the pan and leave aside. Now we have a lot of prawns fond or residual in the pan. This will bring a lot of flavor to the tofu. Fry the tofu for about 2 minutes or until they are slightly brown around the edges. Alright, scoop up the tofu and rest them on the strainer a while to remove the excess oil. Set them aside. Next, with the flavored oil, crack 2 eggs directly into the pan. Be careful not to drop any shell. Pour 1/4 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And quickly stir the egg with a spatula until they are about 85% cooked. This creates a lovely marbling effect, adding more color to our kway teow. Alright, perfect. Remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pan, which should heat up really quickly. Add all the minced garlic and stir fry until crispy and golden brown. This gives us crispy garlic bits and the garlic infused oil for our seasoning. After 2 minutes, they are done. Remove 3/4 of the fried garlic from the pan and set aside. With 1/4 of the garlic and garlic oil left in the pan, add the kway teow and all the seasoning, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half tablespoon of thick soy sauce. Mix together until they are well combined and the kway teow is cooked and soft. After 2 minutes, the seasoning are spread evenly and the kway teow is quite soft. It also smells amazing. Add 220 grams of washed bean sprout, the cut red chili, half tablespoon of chopped choi po or pickled radish, marbled eggs, fried tofu, prawns, chive, crispy fried garlic, and half teaspoon of sugar, which is optional. Stir and mix until the ingredients are well combined. Alright, this should be good. Give it a taste. Wow, it's delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Dish our stir-fried prawns kway teow onto a serving plate to be enjoyed immediately. Serve with the chopped bird's eye chili. Drizzle with light soy sauce. Let's eat! It's very delicious. The kway teow is smooth and soft, while the prawns are sweet and just right. The vegetable added perfect crunchy texture, while the sauces are fragrant and appetizing. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somchip. Thank you and bye-bye.